Hey guys, Sean here with Pro Armor. Today I'm going to be showing you how to properly mount, wire, and even clean these audio pods and this soundbar. Today we're going to be hooking up these devices to our Razor, but you can use any machine that you own. All the mounting hardware is universal. One thing, make sure to check out the manual for all the details and information on how to properly install these items. Other than that, let's get right to it. Here are some of the tools that you guys will need for this install. 2 fuse holders with their proper fuses, 3/8 inch deep socket with its ratchet, crimp tools, wire strippers, small flathead screwdriver, a Phillips, an Allen key, some tape, ring terminals, bullet connectors, male and female. Before any work that you do on your machine, make sure that it's powered off, in park, remove the key, then you can take off the seat, remove the negative side of the battery, and this is to prevent blowing a fuse or damaging any audio equipment that you might have or your bike itself. So we've just finished securing the soundbar to our roll cage. 2 screws here, 2 more over there. Let's get straight to the wiring. We have 4 connections, our power and our ground. So let's go ahead and put those in. Red, and then black. Our orange wire is going to be our turn-on wire. And then finally, our blue wire hooks up our soundbar to our audio pods and turns those pods on. Here are the 4 connections: blue, red, black, and orange. Let's hook up our audio connections back to our pods, and we do this via RCA cable. Red is usually going to be your right speaker, white, left. Go ahead and make those connections like that, and then we'll run these back to our audio pods. So a good rule of thumb is just to give each of these screws a quick torque to make sure that the pods are secure while you're doing these installs, especially this wiring. So we're going to give our power and ground wires a quick twist. We're going to grab our crimp tool, and then next we're going to make those connections. So go ahead and insert that. Crimp your wires. Next thing you're going to want to do, take some black tape and wrap it around that crimp area real tight. That'll keep it real secure. Go ahead and rip that off. Cleans it up a little bit. All right, coming from our soundbar, we're going to take our blue wire, and this is a female bullet connector, which is going to go to our male. Make that connection. Next, we're going to take our RCA cables, audio connection. Go ahead and make those. And then finally, to power our passive speaker, we have this connector. That'll slide right in there and click. All that's left to do is clean these wires up and move forward. Now we want to wire all of our audio gear to the bus bar. Only wire your accessories and audio equipment to the bus bar and never to the battery. Fuses near the connection protect your audio equipment, your other accessories, and even your bike. That's it. Check all your connections at the bus bar. Now you just need to reconnect to the battery, check your audio equipment, the wiring, the mounting, make sure everything's secure. Then you're ready to set your mounting angle. All you have to do is remove the screws that are around the grill. After that, set your angle, get your logo straight. The speaker is attached, so be careful that you don't drop that. Once that is correct, you can re-plug them in, and you're all set to ride. Along with your audio pod speakers, you're gonna get some stickers. As you see here, you can put them on any of the panels in the back or on your speaker anywhere else for that matter. You are also gonna get this plug which hooks up in the back here, and this is your gain and illumination controls, so that protects them from the elements. When cleaning these audio products, there's a right way to do things and there's a wrong way. High pressured hose, wrong way. Now doing that to these speakers will ruin them. Let me show you a better way to do things. Here's the proper way to clean these audio products. Now, for just about anything, a low pressured hose will knock all the dirt and mud off of these. So go ahead and give them a good spray. Take a rag, towel, and just wipe them down. That'll fix 90% of your problems. Now, if it's really caked on and you can't get it off, you need something a little bit stronger, take a non-corrosive cleaner and dilute it. We already have a bottle here. Spray that on there. Get yourself a brush. Make sure these bristles are soft enough for your speakers. Wipe them down. Then reapply some water. And that's it, they'll be looking clean. You're ready to hit the trails again. That's it, guys. We properly mounted, wired, and even cleaned our audio pods and our soundbar. Again, for more detailed information, make sure to check out the manual. Other than that, we're ready to hit the trails.